اعوذ باللہ من الشیطان الرجیم بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم رب اشرح لی صدری ویسر لی امری واحلل عقدۃ من لسانی یفقهوا قولی رب زدنی علما۔ ادارہ الفرقان الحکیم اکیڈمی، میں اپنے ویورز کو کہوں گا کہ پلیز ہمارے چینل پہ آئیے اور سیکھیں۔ جو لوگ آن لائن قرآن سیکھنا چاہتے ہیں تو ہمارے ادارے کا وزٹ کریں۔ تھینک یو ویری مچ۔ اور التماس ہے کہ میرے اس اکیڈمی کو اور میرے اس چینل کو پلیز شیئر کیجئے، لائک کیجئے، اور ہو سکے تو انسٹاگرام، ٹویٹر، لنکڈن، واٹس ایپ اور فیس بک پر لازمی شیئر کیجئے گا، شاید کہ کسی کے دل میں اتر جائے میری بات۔
اعوذ باللہ من الشیطان الرجیم بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم۔ السلام علیکم my dear students, viewers and respected teachers, those who want to teach the Holy Quran in English or Urdu, so this video would be very helpful for them for teaching. So watch this video completely and inshallah you will extract the high wisdom those who want to teach in English. So listen, be carefully how I can teach the Holy Quran in English after Tawuz and Tasmiyah. Okay, now I'm going to read with the spelling and without spelling in English. Wa zabar wa, hamza zer e will connect with the zal sakina because the zal has jazm sign over there. We call it link sign. This one, link sign, joining sign and connecting sign. So the previous letter hamza zer e will connect with zal. After connected with zal, the sound should be here wa ev, wa ev. Next letter is fa zabar fa. This is the lips letters. They were 4 lips letters: fa, ba, waw and mim. They were 4 lips letters. Ra zabar ra will connect with the qaf sakina because the qaf has jazm sign over there. You will read with the echo sound. Raq, raq. Noon zabar alif na. This is the alif madda here because there is a zabar before alif. Alif become madda letters, and I told you in previous lesson there were 3 madda letters: alif madda, waw madda and ya madda. So the alif is the one of them. You will read wa iz faraqna. This is the qalqala letter. There were 5 qalqala letters. Kutubu Jadin. When they have a jazm sign over there, we will read them with the echo sound. So the kaf is one of them. You will read with echo sound or echo sound. Both are the same, both are the correct sound, echo or echo. Wa idh faraqna, you will stretch a little bit because this is the alif madda. Ba zer b, this is the lips letter, and ka pesh ku, mim pesh lam mol. This mim pesh mu will connect with the lam sakina. Mol, mol. After connected with the lam, the sound should be here mol. And another letter ba zabar ba is appearing after lam sakina. Ba zabar ba will connect with the ha sakina. Ba zabar ha, bah. This is the throttle letters. They were 6 throttle letters. So the ha is one of them. 6 throttle letters, 6 harufe halkiya letters. Fa, bah, ra, bah, ra. Fa zabar fa. This is the it is also lips letters. Fa and ba both are lips letters. Okay, they were 4 lips letters. 4. Ba, fa, waw and mim. This is the hamza zabar a will connect with the noon. Okay, and you make ikfa here because after noon sakina or tanween, okay, without throttle letters, any letters or appear after Noon Sakina and Tanween, then you should apply Ikhfa rule on this Noon, okay? Because after Noon Sakina, Jim is coming. Ikhfa letter, they were 15 Ikhfa letters, so the Jim is one of them. You make Ikhfa here. Fa, A, Jim, Zabar, Ya, Jai. Noon has a standing Zabar. Na, Ka, Pesh, Mim, Kom. Fa, A, Jai, Na, Kom. This is the Ya lean here. They were two lean letters, Waw Sakina and Ya Sakina. When there is a Zabar before both of them, they become lean letters. So this is the lean letter here. Wa Zabar Wa, and Hamza Zabar A will connect with the Ghain. Okay? Agh. Ra Zabar Qaf Raq. Wa Agh Raq. Noon Zabar Alif Mad Na. Wa Agh Raq Na. This is the Madde Munfasil here, because after short Mad, okay, the Hamza is appearing is another letter. So this is a Madde Munfasil here. Hamza has a standing Zabar A, Lam Zabar La. Wa aghraqna ala. This is Fa Zir Ra Fir. Ain Zabar Wa Aw. Noon Zabar Na. Fir Auna. This is the Waw lean here. Wa antum. This is the Wa Zabar Wa. Hamza Zabar Noon. Anta Pesh Mim Tom. Wa antum. This is the Ta Zabar Noon. Ta Wa Pe Ru. Ra Pesh Wa Ru. Noon Zabar Na. Wa antum Ta Zuruna. This is the Waqf Tam here. And when you stop at the last letter, okay, this is the end of the verse, and Noon Zabar Na would be changed into Noon Sakina. And how we will read? Wa antum tanzurun. Wa antum tanzurun. Izhare Shafvi here. This is the Izhare Shafvi, because after Mim Sakina Ta is coming. This is the Izhare Shafvi here. Wa antum tanzurun. And this is the Mim Sakina. After a Mim Sakina, Ta is appearing. So this is we call it Izhare Shafvi here. And we learned in Mim Sakina rule, Idghame Shafvi, Ikhfae Shafvi, and Izhare Shafvi. So this is the one of them, Izhare Shafvi. And I hope so you will like this video. And if you will like this video, please you share it as much as you can on Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, and Facebook. So may Allah keep you always happy and succeeds you in Deen, Dunya and Akhirah. Ameen. Allah Hafiz.